Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to easily connect your Epson printer to your PC in 2025. First, ensure your printer is out of the box and all protective tapes and foam are removed. Plug in the power cord securely. A stable power connection is essential for initial setup. Next, install your ink cartridges as guided by the printer's display and load about 20 sheets of standard A4 paper into the main tray. This preparation step ensures your printer is ready for its first connection. For a simple wired connection, find the square-shaped USB port, typically on the back of your Epson printer. Use a standard USB A to B cable, connecting the square end to the printer and the rectangular end to an open USB port on your PC. Your computer should automatically recognize the new device, often installing basic drivers in about 30 seconds. This process is usually quick and straightforward, allowing for immediate basic functionality. To connect wirelessly, turn on your Epson printer and use its control panel to navigate to the Wi-Fi setup. You'll need your network name, or SSID, and its password to connect the printer to your home network. Once the printer confirms it's connected, go to your PC's printers and scanners settings. Click Add Device and wait for your PC to detect the Epson printer on the network. This method offers great flexibility for printing from anywhere in your home. Sometimes, your PC might require a dedicated driver for full functionality. Head to Epson's official website, locate your specific printer model, and download the latest drivers compatible with your operating system, whether it's Windows 10 or 11. Run the installer and follow the simple steps presented. Once completed, navigate to your printer settings on your PC and initiate a test page print. A successful print confirms everything is correctly installed and ready. If you encounter any problems, a simple restart of both your printer and PC often resolves minor glitches. Always double-check that your USB cable is securely seated or that both devices are on the exact same Wi-Fi network if connecting wirelessly. For long-term smooth operation, remember to periodically visit Epson's website to check for updated drivers and firmware. These small steps ensure your printing experience remains seamless and trouble-free.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.